unboxings, explanations, testing, demos, reviews. GamerTech.
Welcome back to this week's episode of GamerTech on Gamer Redefined. This week we're going to be doing a quick unboxing for the Scosche wireless charger.
Alright, so today we're going to be looking at the Scosche wireless charger. A little bit about it: it's a wireless charger for your car so that you can have two wireless chargers, one in your house and one in your car. Let's take a look at it.
Alright, first of all we're going to look at the mount. So it looks like a pretty sturdy design. I'm not really sure how these come out, but we'll explore that later. Also, this is a vent mount that goes into the vent itself. Again, it looks pretty sturdy, so we'll take a look at that in a little bit. Alright, so the good thing that comes with this one is the car charger. So the car charger doesn't typically come in these models. You typically have to buy them third party, so I like that this came with it. Also, it's going to come with the charging cord. Now, what I like about this charging cord is that it's nice and long, so you can reach it across the car if you need to, or you can kind of do whatever you need to where you want to put your vent mount. So let's go explore what it looks like in the car itself. Alright, so we're back in the car. So quickly, I just want to show how to open it up. So there's a button on the back, you just click it, opens it up. You can see that it's pretty wide, so you can fit kind of any phone into it. The bottom part comes down so that it snugs it in a little bit. As you can see, this is a Galaxy S9 Plus we're using. You can check this unboxing out in one of my previous videos. Alright, so the phone works. What I like is that it fits it snug in place, so it doesn't move it around too much. So when you're driving, it doesn't wiggle around or wiggle out of it. Just press the button on the back, slides it out, take it out, put it back in, clamp them together. So what I like is that it's not touching the Bixby button. What I found in a lot of these cases is that it touches the Bixby button and then sets it off whenever you're driving down the road. And that's not something that you want happening, just in case. In the grand scheme of things, I really like how the phone fits snug in place. It charges the phone. I like having a wireless charger at home and in my car, so I never have to really plug it in and bake that battery. And just keep in mind, this is not only for the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. This is also for the iPhone 8, the iPhone 8 Plus, and the iPhone 10. So when you're going out and getting it, just keep in mind that it is going to be an investment, but it's for the better.
Like, comment, subscribe, and tune in every week for fresh content from Gamer Redefined.